Hello, this is Anis again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so at the bottom of the page. Now, for this other question here, we are going to look at recurring decimals, whereby you are given a number here with the recurring decimals, and then you are told to express as a fraction in its simplest form. So to solve this one, I just have to think of a number like m. I can use m, and then equate this m to my number here, which is 4.15243. Now you realize that we have a recurring symbol where we have 2 here. We also have another recurring symbol where we have 3 here. Now this means whatever number we have here, the only part that is recurring is 243. So I can write 4.15243 and another 243. 243 is the recurring part. Then after that, I want to eliminate the decimals because that is the only way I can express this number as a fraction, by eliminating the decimals first, the decimal part. And to do that, we multiply this sign by 10 and this other sign by 10. So if I multiply times 10 here, I'm going to have 10m equals, if I multiply by 10 here, the decimal point will shift towards the right side, but just once. So we'll be having our decimal here, giving us 41.5243 243. Then after that, I can compare these two numbers. If I subtract these two numbers on the right side of the decimal place, will I get 0? If you look at this number, I have 524, this end is 152, meaning if I subtract, I'll not get 0 on the right side of the decimal place. So what I do, again, I multiply this sign by 10 again, this other sign by 10 to get 100m, which is equivalent to, this decimal will shift here to become 415. Then we continue with the sequence 243, 243, 243. Again, I can compare this number and this one. After the decimal, I have 152. After the decimal, my decimal is here, sorry. After the decimal, I have 243. So this one cannot give me the number I'm looking for. Still, I can compare this one and this one. My decimal is here, so 0.52, 0.24. Again, if I subtract, I'll still get a number with the decimal point. So I continue multiplying by 10 here again. This one will become 1000. M equals, this decimal will shift again here. If you multiply this number by 10, you get 41.524324. Again, I compare this number and this one, this and this, this and this. So I'm going to compare with all the numbers here. We have, after the decimal, I have 43. After the decimal, I have 24. So this one will not give me 0 on the right side. Okay, let me compare this one and this one. After decimal, 43. After decimal, 52. That is a no. After decimal, I have 43. After decimal, I have 15. So there is no single number here. I can subtract with this one to get a whole number without the decimals. So that means I multiply by 10 again. So times 10. This side times 10. This one becomes 10,000 m, which is equivalent to, this one will move here. This is 41,524.324324. Again, I compare after the decimals. Then the number I have 32. This is 32. So I continue multiplying by 10 again until I get that number which I'm looking for. So if I multiply by 10, this one becomes 100,000 m equals, this decimal will shift here, 41.5243 .243. Okay, let me compare my number with all these and see if I'm going to get the number which I'm looking for. So after the decimal, I have 2 4, I have 3 2, I have 4 3, I have 2 4. Wow, I've gotten my number. So I'm going to use this one, 0.24, this one as 0.24. So I'm going to pick the larger number between these two, which is 100,000 m equals, this is 41, 52, 43.243243. Okay, we can just stop at that. Don't have to write all the numbers. Then minus, this other number is 100 m. So this is 100 m, which is equivalent to, on this side I have 415. So this is 415.243243. I can just write 243. Then I subtract these two numbers here. So if I subtract these numbers, I get 0 0 0. Actually, this is what I was looking for, zeros on that, on the right side of the decimal. Then we have 3 minus 5. We can borrow 1 from here, and this will become 13. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 5, that is 8. And then after borrowing 1 here, we remain with the 3. 3 minus 1, we get 2. And then we have 2 minus 4. You can borrow 1 here, and we'll be having 12 minus 4, which is 8. And then here we remain with 4. This is 1, and that is 4. And then on this other side, where we have m, we have 0 minus 0, that is 0. We have another 0. 0 minus 1, we can borrow 1 from here. So this will become 0. It comes here to be 10. We borrow 1, 9. This one becomes 9 again. This one becomes 10. 10 minus 1, we get 9. And this is 9n. 9. So I can get the value of m here. So I can write m is equivalent to, I defined all other both signed by, that is 99,900. So okay, let me just write here. Where do I write now? Okay, so I can write m equals 41, 48, 28. I don't have to write all these zeros here. And then I divide by, this is 99900. So if you want to get the value of m, that is how you do it. But before we come here, let me just show you how I've done this one. 99900 m, then equals 41, 48 to 8. So I've defined this end by 99900, then this other side by 99900, so that I can cancel this one and this one, and then remain with m on this side, which is equivalent to 414,828, defined by 99,900. So if you define this one, you are going to get your m will be equals to 4, and then we have 141 over 925. So if you solve this one, you get 4 as the whole number, and then 141 over 925 as the fraction part of our answer. And that marks the end of this question. And if you have not understood, you can always comment at the bottom of the page. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.